This time, Take introduces a simple yaki-udon dish that can be made quickly when you are busy. Japanese yakisoba and yaki-udon are usually made with meat and vegetables. This simple yaki-udon is made with only udon noodles, soy sauce, and butter.
Oh, it's exciting.
First, boil the udon noodles quickly. Then, place them in a frying pan and season with burnt soy sauce. The soy sauce is not simply poured into the pan but burned a little on the corner of the pan. Burnt soy sauce gives it a nice flavor. After quickly mixing the udon noodles with the burnt soy sauce, add the butter. When the butter is melted, the noodles are ready to serve. To garnish, sprinkle Aonori green laver on top. Add shichimi 7-spice flavor for a spicy and delicious taste if you like. Try this dish if you are short on time and only have udon as an ingredient. It is much better than expected.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.